You're a big entertainer, you have hits after hits, all of the hits them, brother. You're my artist, you're one of my idol. But me not expect you for your big front, and me not expect you for your buy front.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
What going again, Unstoppable family? So people, there is a video going around on social media with a person's voice who sounds like Jah CURE, right? Sounds like Jah CURE because there is actually no visual, showing of Jah CURE, but we hear a voice, right? And persons sharing the video saying that this is the entertainer in the recording with a young lady where she's being thrown out of his house. And there is a conversation about getting money back if certain body part no run. Now, I go back and watch the video for yourself and determine whether or not that is the cure. Alright? And then comment in the comment section and tell me if you think that is CURE or just somebody who sound like him. Alright? Also, I want to take a good listen to what is being said, and everybody can formulate them own opinion and tell me whether I want to feel like, the man we attack right and the things where him say needed to be said.
And remember that my cousin cannot take you nowhere. Yeah, you better take care of him because of Kingston and fuck a boy then. One more pussy you take me from. Send back my money now, I'm going back my money. If me not fuck her now, I want back both of my money from you and her. That's my mashing up in here.
Okay, I don't know how much my ticket was. How much was it?
Oh. It was fucking 600. And hers, if I don't fuck her now, she has to pay me back too.
We'll both pay you back.
Right now.
That's fine. Your Wi-Fi doesn't work up here. We have to go downstairs.
Well, I'm ready. Let's go down there. Go do it.
Can we finish packing this
Yeah,
after we leave?
yeah. Y'all don't like fucking peace. Y'all like to fuck up. I've been watching you all morning with a little sneaky movement. Because you like to fuck around men and make problems. I'm watching you in the front of my car, and you cock blocking me with a lot of girls because they see you in my car and you're nothing up, like me and you dead. So when you got home and you left me in this fucking predicament, like, oh, I see Jah CURE fucking this girl that was in Kingston fucking this dancer boy in my front of my car, and this shit boy don't think that me and them is fucking size. Some shit boy that beat you in the face over some shit girl, huh? And then you come and feel like you can't style me.
I'm just going to leave back and we'll get on your way.
Yeah, just fucking think about that stuff. You like to fuck around. I saw you. I observed all morning. You noticed last night? I never came in here begging a pussy. I came in here and I lied and I saw you all acting funny. You trying to act like you said some of this.
You know that I have kidney disease and diabetes. I can literally show you my
You don't have to show me nothing.
You punched me in the
Fuck
stomach.
off. You're lucky. Broke on your hand. You take me for pussy. Because you see, I'm going to tell you so no problem. You know how much woman I could have spent and take it upon and enjoy myself and then have so much problem to give me. First thing you do this for the night, go out and buckle like beach and left me. And build up a story for me. You know this way, I beat me for beat the 200 on the house, hey, take this one buckle like that for me too. Because first of all, this one and this one for good. Things just for me put it on the we come in the house and have AC turned on and bumper clock door open for much hours. A person will take me for a walk. Even if I go to a hotel, you can have a fucking AC and a window open.
Okay.
If you like to come left a big light bill on me, you know how much money that's going to cost me? You make sure you clean up the fucking room on the left.
Okay.
And the bottom of the pay me back, the money for the flight on the left, your rest. Me on any problem.
I don't have PayPal, so I don't hold it. I got you.
PayPal too. One thing I'm sure of, my cousin that ain't taking none of you
We said
nowhere.
we'll get a cab, so we just want to leave right now.
Now I'm just telling you. None of my cousins. You make sure one of them see them still far. Oh. Kill them now, remember I'm telling you that. You never try to nothing you can sell me out.
Is there a trash can somewhere? No.
There's a garbage downstairs. You've been up here for all day, you know that there's no trash can up here.
That's why we have things to use. Maybe you need
Yeah, we should have taken a bath. I don't know who take it up when we see that out there.
Wanna tell me what you think? Does that sound like Cure or not? Right? And you know, despite boy, I don't know. There's so many things did I go on another video there. Where does have me I wonder if it's a transaction gone bad. But anyway, make me go hear what Dr. Love have to say about this whole thing right now.
You're a big entertainer, you have hits after hits, all of the hits them, brother. You're my artist, you're one of my idol. But me not expect you for your big front, and me not expect you for your buy front. I don't expect you Jah CURE for your buy front, and I check the woman to beat them up for them front. A woman alone of them front, when you're there with them, you don't want them front. And even if you go buy some front from a girl, you're buying. It's a merchandise you're buying. It's not your front. You can't beat up a woman for them front and abuse a woman for them front. Because any woman later make man abuse them and them man go on top of them. That woman is mentally. You feel me? I say people, I don't expect that from Jah CURE. I don't expect the threat. I don't expect the abuse. I don't expect those form of behavior from you as an entertainer. And we have to tell, me is one of them where I tell us, say, you what happened. You have it song or it song, but me have a name. Me have a name. People know me just like you, but you know more over the world. But me, name Dr. Love, they are so. Me and my woman there, I'm comfortable with my woman. And if my woman tell me say she left me, I go ball. Right? If me and my woman have a problem, I find a way to work it out because me not make loneliness catch me. Because one time I come up on Instagram and say, hey, Dr. Love, what going to rate? Yes, Dr. Love have the name. But sometimes Dr. Love broke. Sometimes Dr. Love feel down. At the end of the day, when you press live and go live and talk, you're happy. But you see when you press end, your life continue. And the internet saved enough for you because the internet saved me one time. I did my loneliness and pick up crosses and I have to get rid of them. What going on unstoppable? So me can tell you as entertainer, enough of them know there. Me turn up with my eye and they're New York and hear one Rasta artist. Rasta artist will glorify. I tell one girl, say what we do to her. Anything she want. Me turn up and hear that with my eye. My ears and hear a Rasta artist will glorify till a girl and we eat her. Enough of them we see her carry them lonely. Instagram come on and carrying on and hey, oh people, you know, big fans, big up my fans them. Fans them are lonely. Una don't eat at night dinner. Right? Una used to be like Dr. Love and chuck and name and chuck because guess what happens? Sometimes they're lonely. You name chips, you drink this, you drink that water and all that and so forth, you jump and down, then go over there so, then park, then wipe them car a million times, then wipe them shoes million times, then do everything. But loneliness and a good woman out of your life as a public figure is a priority that's needed, that mean you good. As an entertainer, you have to look into this because as I said, I was lonely. And I pick up crosses until I find a good woman. You understand? And you may not say me and my woman argue sometime. We argue sometime. Because that's what it is. But guess what happened? Me now make lonely and tough crackers reach me again. Me now find myself, I drive up and down, turn left, right and center, come up on live every minute like nobody used to come up. You see people come up on live every minute and press live and chat. Loneliness I kill them. They're lonely. I have the biggest name in the world and famous. Broke and loneliness. Because guess what happened? There was time, you know, I have money in my pocket, you know. I'm a drive, go over this, I'm a park. I talk. I come off a live, I come back on. I can go in the store, go buy what I want. But loneliness was a thing that was at my door and I could have found a woman. But when I want to pick up the wrong set of woman and sometimes we pick up crosses. And the crosses then we pick up bring a problem in our life and then we have to say, Jah no. And then the girl and we feel look on sometimes we not look on them. Sometimes we have to just build, let out the destruction and make God just put the right one in our life. Me refuse to sleep alone. I mean I sleep with no crosses girl in my yard. So Jah CURE then when you see when you get up down and buy front and I buy threesome. No brother, that not work, brother. That not work, brother. Big Sunday right now. You feel name your rice and peas and your steamed fish. That what you do. See? Morning get up. My woman have a finger there when she could for her finger. And I'm telling you, I said, God, tough crackers now catch me again. Because I have a name. I have a name, you know. Sometimes our name don't worth shit to we. Even if we have that, right now I have money in my pocket. And if I want to go and go buy something, I can go and go buy. But guess what happened? At the end of the day, I'm comfortable because I have a good man. I'm alright. But at times, as entertainers, as a public figure, we go through that moment, that down moment, because we have emotion. We have emotion sometimes. We go through that emotion. And sometimes women don't respect our emotion. And sometimes it's the way we operate. Right? Is what brings certain things by we. And as I said to you, if I'm be the man, for example, be the man married. The man the other one, they married. Now him have crystal. There's a difference between salt and pepper. See? Somehow we just get up and just do something because we want to stay in the public eye and say we have a nice girl. But you know what I mean? Say, we don't understand. Some of us don't know how to deal with real things sometimes. And sometimes even me go half board. You feel me I say? Respect the people who have a nice girl and who maintain it. But as entertainers, we need somebody around us when we get old. When time we have to change our diaper. When time we feel sick and don't know what to do, we need somebody to love and care for we and show we the love and respect what we need. And that is missing from a lot of people. Hold on there. Hey Mike, I'm coming, okay? Right? The love and respect. A lot of men right now are job up and down say them a gallus and them a floss and don't have no woman. A TD food them have to eat, a KFC them have to eat, a Burger King them have to end up. Right now me have food in my fridge, you know. We cook for Thanksgiving, you know. Food in my fridge, me can eat. A good woman will cook. You feel me I say? I mean I say me is the best man in the world, because sometimes, even me if I'm full. Even me if I'm full sometimes. But sometimes you have to catch yourself and find a way back. And like a water bottle girl, them only keep pushing people and make some woman feel like say we have it. But loneliness is killing a lot of we as male. I'm glad me not lonely again. And if me have a ball for my one, me ball for my one. Because when you have a woman and you have to go buy front, and you need a doctor lover, you need a Jah CURE, but you go buy front. You pay a girl for threesome. When you can get front free. You can get good front when you don't have to worry about STD and rabies and you have to worry about chlamydia and all them something there. You don't have to worry about if the girl shot you last night. You don't have to worry about unwanted pitney will come. Him wife and him, I think his daughter was too beautiful. There was a nice couple. And big marriage. Some have a big marriage and I mean that, oh, Jah CURE just get married. I'm so happy for them and all of that. The woman happy. The woman comfortable and she want to work, but I don't know what them problem. Guess what happened? They end up divorcing in a short time. That's why sometimes you do your thing, you take your private life off of the net. Keep your private life, because let me tell you something. Enough girl would like to get a voice note with me. I like to get a video. Would like to get a naked picture of her. Say, oh, hey, me get that. Sit in a doctor. When you're in the public eye, you know, drop assault a girl to make anybody at all. Right? Catch any information about it to put out there. Right? When you're an entertainer, you keep your phone and make a woman put on the phone where you can see it. You know, have things that a woman can have voice note that put out there. And you tell a woman, boy, you go broke their hand. Me broke up your hand and give back my money and say, you buy front? You buy front? You import girl, this one thing get on my back road. When you done back road? Go club and all them. Like, come on, man. Like, when you entertain, I want to set an example, star. Set an example for people can rate and respect, you know. And the kind of caliber of artist, you know, is a set of respect, brother. That's something I don't like, but every man is a big man, but me can't tell a Jah CURE, and enough of them lonely, because me the lonely. Me the lonely. Me the lonely for a good woman. And me pick up some crosses. Somebody will pick up some crosses and put a ring on them finger after I realize what the hell was I drinking now? Stay over there. You feel me I say? No man, Jah CURE, you can't do them something, brother. When him ready, me tell you, oh, you know Jah CURE, they're lonely. When Jah CURE ready, come on, I'm sure and carry my shoe and shoes them. And what dry rotten. That is a sign of loneliness. Loneliness will make you come on and show everything what you have. But you as the public are going to lead them and say, yeah man, Jah CURE man in shoe. Loneliness are killing enough of we entertainers out there. And a Jah CURE alone lonely. Enough of them lonely.
Right now you know we unstoppable.